Before the waters, the world was alive, yet something was deeply wrong. Violence grew quietly, and darkness filled every corner. But there was one man who still walked with God. His name was Noah, and he lived differently. Then, everything changed. God made a decision that would change the world forever. Noah received a call, impossible to ignore. Build an ark, for the waters are coming. A structure so vast, it would carry life itself. Day after day, Noah continued, while the world only laughed. But something was coming. The first signs appeared in the distance. Then they began to arrive. From every direction, two by two. This was the beginning of the end. Then the door was closed, and the sky opened. A storm like never before. The waters rose without stopping. The world began to disappear. Mountains were swallowed, and everything fell silent beneath the waters. But inside the ark, life remained. Days passed, and then weeks, until something changed. Silence returned for the first time. The waters began to fall, and hope was reborn. Then the earth returned. The ark finally came to rest, and Noah stepped out into a new beginning, a renewed world, a second chance. And in the sky, a sign appeared. A promise that would never be forgotten.